Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to create public profile on Snapchat. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. To begin, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Tap on the face emoji or avatar from the top left corner. Here you will see the new update, My Public Profile. Tap on it. Read what will happen after creating public profile, and then tap OK. This is your public profile page. You can add a profile photo, and a cover photo. If you tap Edit Profile, you can add your bio, add location, show or hide subscriber count. You can also share stories, spotlight, and insights for your followers. If you want to remove your public profile, tap the three dots from the top right corner. Go down to the bottom, and you will find the option for clearing your public profile. So in this way, you can create public profile on Snapchat. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.